She's been rested enough.
That's what I'm talking about. See, that's what we like. Demos. I'm sorry. I'm all in y'all space and everything. I'm sorry. This thing looks hand built, everything. Thank you. Check this out. Alright, can you tell us what you got in here, man?
I have 2 SoundCube HDC 4s with PSI recombs.
Okay.
Running off 2 4Ks, 1 per, on a 45 amp hour Panasonic prototype C-Max.
Okay.
And a 320 alternator.
Right. Right on. Yeah, Shadow. All the switches down there.
My voltmeter, LEDs, UVs, fan, amp, alternator.
Awesome. What is that, 39 hertz? And doing that, man, that's moving some wind. That's a 4-thrower though, right?
Yep.
Okay. So
They say 4-throwers don't get windy.
yeah, this one does. I don't believe that anymore, man. Golly. You see that, dog? Yeah, tweets for days. Did you see that?
Yes.
We live too, so
okay.
yeah, we got you live on my Instagram. Then this will be on the YouTube. Yeah, so tell
Walls from Michigan, baby.
Yes, sir. Tell us you got a you got a YouTube channel or anything?
All we do is team all walls.
All right, good deal, man. Thanks for letting me check it out.
Thanks for putting me out there, man.
Yes, sir.
I'll roll my windows up and let you stuff.
So what you got on this one, man?
2 18-inch FI SP4s.
Okay. Hey, is that your wallet?
Yeah, oh shit, thanks.
No problem.
Just running 2 5Ks on it.
Okay, 2 5Ks. That's what's up,
One
man.
on each.
Okay. Each one is wired at what?
2 ohm.
2 ohm? Oh, okay, so you got a little more power in there. Well, those things are 2 ohm stable, right? The HDs?
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
Well, those are the base 5Ks.
Oh, the base 5Ks. Okay, yeah. I always get those mixed up, though. You know what I'm saying? But they're both Brazilian amps, though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're actually 1 ohm stable, but we wired it up to 2 just to play it safe.
Gotcha. Ah, don't play it safe. Send it.
Yeah, I know, but
Hey, he said he wanted to play it safe, Trailblazing bass. This guy. Nah, I was just messing with you, man.
yeah. Well, I don't got backups here, so I don't.
I heard you, man. This the last day. Go ahead and send it.
Yeah, I know, but then I gotta spend more money, man.
Yeah, exactly. I know what you mean, man. I'm the same way. I'm wired to 1 arm, so I'm like, nah, I'm good at the half and everything. But later on, I will do half and just take it easy on the bass knob, not all the way to the right. So, hey, man.
If these were half ohm stable, I'd be down there.
Absolutely. Appreciate you letting me check it out, man. Thank you.
I know I'm super fly. I know I'm super fly. I stay fresh as hell. I drink till I'm